Welcome to the world of premium mobile living, where size is no longer the primary indicator of luxury. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the latest offering from the renowned Swedish manufacturer Kabe, a company that has spent decades perfecting the art of the all-season caravan. While the global market for recreational vehicles has often favored the bigger is better philosophy, there is a significant shift occurring as we move through 2026. Travelers are increasingly looking for efficiency, maneuverability, and high-end craftsmanship without the burden of a massive footprint. This brings us directly to the star of the show, the all-new 2026 Kabe Estate 470 GLE. Positioned as the entry-level offering within the prestigious Kabe family, the Estate series has always aimed to provide everything a traveler needs, and a little more. However, the 470 GLE takes this mission to a specialized extreme by being the smallest and most affordable model in the entire lineup. This is a fascinating development for the industry because Kabe is a brand synonymous with high-end winter-proof luxury that usually commands a steep premium. By condensing their core values into a single-axle compact frame, they are opening the door for a new generation of buyers who refuse to compromise on quality, even if they are working with a tighter budget or a smaller towing vehicle. The 2026 Kabe Estate 470 GLE sits on a robust single-axle knot chassis, which provides the foundation for its compact yet capable stature. Measuring just 6.87 meters in total length, or roughly 22.5 feet, this trailer is designed to be exceptionally easy to tow and park, even in the more secluded campsites found throughout the Swedish wilderness or the winding roads of continental Europe. It maintains a width of 2.3 meters and a height of 2.78 meters, ensuring that the interior feels airy and spacious rather than cramped. What makes Kabe stand out in this competitive segment is their uncompromising approach to construction. Even though the Estate is technically their entry-level series, it benefits from the same rigorous engineering that goes into their flagship Imperial models. This means the 470 GLE is a true four-season machine, designed to keep occupants warm in the depths of a Scandinavian winter and cool during the Mediterranean summer. The insulation technology and climate control systems are integrated directly into the wall and floor structures, a hallmark of the Kabe brand that has earned them a loyal following among serious year-round campers. Inside the cabin, the layout of the 470 GLE is a masterclass in ergonomic design. Despite its smaller dimensions, it manages to include all the amenities of a much larger RV without feeling cluttered. The living area is characterized by high-quality materials and a refined color palette that reflects modern Scandinavian aesthetics. One of the biggest surprises in a trailer of this size is the inclusion of a fixed water system. Unlike many of its European competitors that rely on portable or rollable tanks, the 470 GLE comes standard with a 40-liter freshwater tank and a 32-liter greywater tank, both of which are fixed. This provides a level of autonomy and convenience that is rarely seen in entry-level caravans, allowing for longer stays at campgrounds without the constant need for manual tank management. The kitchen area is equally impressive, featuring a functional stove, high-end cabinetry, and plenty of storage for culinary essentials. It is clear that the designers at Kabe focused on the details that matter most to couples and small families who want a seamless transition from their traditional home to their mobile one. The 2026 model year also introduces a variety of customization options through curated packages. For those who want to enhance the visual appeal of their trailer, the design package offers aluminum wheels, a specialized window on the entry door, and a sleek drawbar cover. Meanwhile, the comfort package is aimed at those who prioritize relaxation and luxury. This package includes a heated towel rail in the bathroom, a feature that is practically unheard of in most entry-level trailers, as well as a heated storage hatch and plush neck cushions for the seating area. These small touches elevate the 470 GLE from a simple travel trailer to a genuine luxury suite on wheels. The focus on heating is particularly noteworthy, as Kabe uses an advanced all-day hydronic heating system that provides consistent and silent warmth throughout the cabin. This system even includes underfloor heating, which is a game-changer for anyone planning to use their trailer during the colder months of the year. From a technical perspective, the Kabe Estate 470 GLE is a testament to the efficiency of the knot chassis and the overall weight management of the unit. Its manageable weight makes it compatible with a wide range of modern crossovers and electric vehicles, which is a critical factor in today's changing automotive landscape. As more drivers transition to EVs, the demand for aerodynamic and lightweight trailers has skyrocketed, and Kabe is positioning itself perfectly to meet this demand. The exterior design is clean and aerodynamic, with subtle graphics that signal its premium pedigree without being overly flashy. It is a vehicle that commands respect at any campsite or rest stop, not because of its size, but because of the evident quality of its build. The market positioning of the 470 GLE is strategic. In a world where luxury RVs can easily reach six-figure price tags, Kabe is offering a slice of that high life at a point that is accessible to more people. By focusing on the essentials and executing them with perfection, they have created a product that feels like a bargain despite its fancy reputation. It challenges the notion that an affordable trailer has to be basic or poorly insulated. Instead, it offers a refined sanctuary that is ready for any adventure, whether it is a weekend getaway to a local lake or a month-long journey across national borders. As we look at the 19 different floor plans available in the Estate series, it is the 470 GLE that stands out as the most balanced option for the modern minimalist traveler. It represents the pinnacle of compact luxury, proving that you can indeed have it all in a package that is small enough to go anywhere. As we move forward into the 2026 travel season, the Kabe Estate 470 GLE is set to become a benchmark for the industry. It reflects a growing desire for quality over quantity, and a recognition that the best travel experiences are often found in the most intimate spaces. For the couple looking to start their caravanning journey, or the experienced traveler looking to downsize without losing the comforts of home, this Swedish marvel is a compelling choice. It is a reminder that the smallest member of a family can often be the most impressive. Kabe has once again proven that they understand the nuances of the road, and with the 470 GLE, they are bringing a touch of Swedish elegance to the masses. It is more than just a trailer. It is a versatile and reliable companion for the road ahead, designed to withstand the elements and provide a super nice experience regardless of the destination.